DecoNetwork makes it easy to control the drop-down navigation menu and how you want it to display, whether it be none, a just simple text, or you want that mega menu that goes across the width of the page. So first thing to remember is we have to have a subpage. So if you see here, like under t-shirts, we have that little drop-down arrow. Well, that means I have a subpage. Only pages with the subpage can you control the drop-down menu. Now, to control the type of drop-down menu, I'm going to come into Design, Page Options. Down here we have drop-down menu. So I could be Hide. That means no menu, no text, no mega menu, nothing. I could control Simple. Simple is just text. So we'll come back here to the front end of our site. We'll refresh and it'll just be 3 lines of text underneath the t-shirts. Men's, women's, youth. That's simple. We could do content width. So content width allows us to go the width of the content, obviously. Specify width allows us to manually set how wide the content is. And then we could do the page width, which really allows us to go very wide. After we select anything that's not simple or hide, we click Save. And at the very bottom of all pages, we see drop-down menu. And any page that has subpages, in this case only t-shirts, we can go there and we can control the content. And it's really just another row. So I could make this, for example, 3 columns across. And instead of just displaying men's, women's, youth, why don't we instead, we'll do a blank product category listing. We will choose, for example, t-shirts. We'll make this t-shirts. We'll do a list of links. And here's all my t-shirts. Let's make it 6 across. You can get really powerful here. Now I'm going to clone it. Instead of t-shirts, make it sweatshirts. We'll do ladies. It's all about cloning too. Once I have a strategy in place, I can do a lot of cloning. So we'll choose youth. We'll choose headwear. And we'll choose accessories. You can see it didn't take very long for us to build, quote unquote, a mega menu. Now I could take it a lot further, obviously, but it's not hard to do this. It's just your normal drag and drop. What you see is what you get. Which is nice because we're not having to custom code or do anything fancy. It's just using the same philosophies as anything else within DecoNetwork website editor. If you have any questions on how to control the drop-down menu or anything else related to DecoNetwork, simply visit the help resources, including our YouTube channel. Thank you.